Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the type of extensions and making sure there is no eye infection. If anything hurts, stop. Apply a thin layer of castor oil to a cotton pad, then gently press it to the base of the lashes for 3–5 minutes to soften the adhesive. Once done, wipe away loosened glue with a clean pad and use a Q-tip soaked in oil to target stubborn spots. Work slowly to avoid pulling real lashes. You continue by cycling castor oil applications. Press, wait, and blot. Repetition breaks down the adhesive matrix without harsh chemicals. Make sure to use a sterile microswab or a safe tweezer alternative, approaching each extension from root to tip with tiny lateral motions. This reduces stress on your natural lashes. Once an extension loosens, lift it gently. If resistance remains, reapply oil and wait. Remember, you finish by cleansing the eyelid area with a gentle, oil-compatible cleanser to remove residue, then rinse carefully. Make sure to pat dry and apply a nourishing lash serum or a tiny amount of castor oil to condition follicles. This promotes recovery. Once complete, inspect for missed glue, retreat only small areas. If lashes are sore, extensions still cling, or you notice broken natural lashes, stop and consult a professional. This troubleshooting step prevents long-term damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.